Hi, my name is Jen and I love to crochet. This is my first real video, so I thought what better to do than to unbox my very first hooks and needles subscription box that I just received. Haven't opened it yet. Very excited to do so, but I wanted to do it and share the experience. So hopefully this will go well and I'll figure out how to use the software and everything. Okay, so here we go. It says your yarnful dreams begin here. That's so cute. All right, let me push this down so I can still see my computer. Oh, this must be the free gift that they said. It is a finger counter, electronic finger counter. Can you see that? It's actually not even barely in the box, in the container. So it looks like it just counts whenever you push the button and then it goes up. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Reset. Very simple. Okay, well, I don't know if I'll ever use that, but it's cool to have, I suppose. Now for the box. We have this book, Hooks and Needles, Crocheting, your monthly guide. It looks like a little mini magazine, actually. Start your crocheting journey. In this edition, different page numbers, what to inspect in every box. Your monthly guide, a surprise monthly gift, exclusive video tutorials, high quality yarns, and all essential materials to complete your projects. So, wow, how to scan a QR code. Okay. So what's in your box, and then there's information about all these things. Oh, and then some, it looks like some patterns. Okay. So it's this. Happy Valentine's Day, a special gift just for you. Oh, free bonus pattern, a sweetheart bow bag. That's cute. That's cute. So maybe I'll do that. And then what's this? VIP crafting bonus projects, Alpine Stitch beanie pattern. That's cute too. So I'll take a look at that. Step-by-step video tutorials. Scan the QR codes for your project guides. I have a feeling I might have to blur all these QR codes out. I don't know. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, yarn. Now, I don't know if it's... I wish this box wasn't in my way. I don't know how well this is showing up on camera. It looks on camera more bright purple than it is in real life. It's kind of like a muted purple, but it has all these really nice flecks of stuff in it. Those are very colorful. I don't know how colorful they're showing up. There's greenish and some pinks and some whites, but those are cute. And this is very, very soft yarn. Very soft. It says that it is 85% acrylic and 15% polyester. It is a 4 medium weight yarn, and it recommends to use 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter hook. So we have 2 of these, and we have 2 of these, which is the same type of yarn in a different color, apparently. It doesn't say what the name of the color is or anything. Just color 01, and this one was color 02. Okay. So this is a white. It has purples and pinks in it, and blues. Still very, very soft. It's like a dingy white, though. It's not a bright white. What else do we have in here? Let's get the yarn out of the way. Oh, this is in like a little gift bag. How cute. Let's open it up. We have some vacuum packed stuffing, which is stuffing for, I guess, an amigurumi or something like that. We have a crochet hook, 5 millimeter crochet hook. Take this out. It's kind of stuck in there. It's a nice ergonomic crochet hook. It looks kind of like a tulip, but without the branding. I mean, 5 millimeter, and it's not an inline hook. It's a tapered hook. I prefer inline hooks, but this one looks pretty pointy, and it probably is pretty good. So we'll keep that. Just put that over here. how nice. A pair of scissors. And this is a really nice pair of scissors, actually. And they're like weighted kind of nicely. Let's take this out. There's even like a protective. Oh, these are very small. Oh, I think I have it on the backwards here. These are very small for my fingers, but it's probably a really good one to travel with. Oh, look, it's a little bird. There's his eye, and here's his wings, and here's his legs. Oh my God, there's his nose. Oh, it's a little bird. How cute is that? Oh, that's so precious. All right, let's put this aside. One more thing in the bag. I can't even get it out. It is a wooden peg thing. Oh, it opens up. Oh, there's needles in here. 3 nice needles. They're all capped with these rubber things so I don't cut myself when I open the package, which is nice. Oops. So that's really nice. You can stick a bunch of needles in there. It doesn't look that they're different sizes. It looks to be that they're all the same size. So, like they have the same size eyes and everything. You can see that. I don't know. But that's pretty nice. That's a really nice little container to keep. And it says hooks and needles right on it. That's nice. I like it. So I don't know what the projects are that this yarn is for. So let's kind of put this back and go back to the book. And let's see what the projects are. So 7 says this month's, page 7 says this month's yarn. Let's take a look at that. This month's yarn, soft weave, a durable, soft, easy care blend. Okay, great. Medium weight, care instructions, nice. Now let's look at the projects. This is for beginners, I guess. This is an easy, everyday tote bag. That's pretty. It's pretty, okay. So we have that, and then what's the next project? Star Stitch Twisted Headband, level intermediate. Okay, nice. Let's see what the last one is. Woven storage basket, advanced. Oh, this looks pretty. Doesn't look like it holds very much, but it does look pretty. Basket stitch. All right. So I wonder if I can make more than one of these. Like if I can make the woven storage basket and also make, there's like a little amigurumi thing here. Oh, and fingerless gloves. I didn't even see this. And I also make this tote bag because it looks like this one uses the white yarn and the other one uses the blue yarn, although I'm sure I could switch those. And yeah, here, bonus 2. Here we go. There's bonus ones back here. Oh, that's the basket handles. Oh. Oh, bonus. Oh my gosh. Bonus. 2 more unique patterns. Not bonus 2. Fingerless gloves. Okay. And then a rabbit lovey. How cute is that? And a bonus recipe. Cinnamon cookies. I like it. So when I signed up for this, I wasn't sure if I was going to continue with it or just try it out for 1 month, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to see see how the projects go and sort of, gauge it from there. So I don't know if I was going to try to gauge whether it was worth the price. I think I paid like $38 for this. And so, I mean, you seem to get a lot of stuff. There's really nice scissors in here. There's this really nice, I think it's worth the price, although you're not getting a lot of yarn, but it does seem like nice yarn from what you're getting, and you are getting a bunch of patterns. And there's a crochet hook, of course. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So, anyway, that was really fun. I'm so excited about that. That's about it for today. I think that was a good first video. I don't even know how long I've been recording so far. I hope to see you back here for the next video. I haven't decided yet what that's going to be, but I will let you know soon. So have a good day.